Hello guys, Brad here again with a review on Escentric 01 by Escentric Molecules. This is a woody floral musk fragrance that's classified unisex and was released in 2006. And the notes, according to Fragrantica, we have iris, Amalfi lemon, pink pepper, and ISO-E super. And over base notes, 17 positives, 5 neutrals, 2 negatives. So a rather positive showing there. Now this is my second fragrance from the Escentric Molecules house. The first one was, of course, Molecule 01, which has gotten several different reviews on YouTube. And that one was basically a very simple ISO-E super based fragrance with nothing more, nothing less. And this one also has the ISO-E Super in it, but with the Escentric 01, the ISO-E Super is more of a base, and it doesn't necessarily embody the whole smell of the fragrance. With this one, I pick up on some citrus, like a lemon lime, and a peppered incense. This one to me does have a more exotic feel to it, with that incensey smell to it. Kind of has like that Gucci or Comme des Garçons vibe to it. I would say the closest comparison that I could come up with is probably Creed's Royal Oud, because with Creed's Royal Oud I got lemon, a peppery incense, and a wood note that wasn't necessarily oud-like, but you know, the ISO-E super note and the oud note in Royal Oud were kind of similar to my nose. I think maybe this one's a bit more transparent though. So this one's an excellent choice for the workplace. And the same lady that gave me a compliment on Molecule 01 also really liked the Escentric 01. So I think people do pick up on that same ISO-E super base. This one just happens to have more of a peppery incense smell to it and a little citrus from that lemon and lime. So let me get into some scores here. The smell, I will give it 7 out of 10. A nice smell. Now generally, I'm not really big on incensey fragrances, so that's probably why I only gave it a 7. But if you're a big fan of incense, pepper, you're probably going to like this one even more. Uniqueness, 5 out of 10. Not the most unique fragrance. A very simple pyramid here, the ISO-E Super, which is very common in this, incense and pepper thing, which is also pretty popular in niche fragrances. A little citrus there. So yeah, 5 out of 10. Versatility, I'll give it 6 out of 10. I think it works well for work, and on a date it might work well, because I think the ISO-E Super, a lot of women are going to pick up on that on a date and really enjoy the smell of this one as well. Projection, longevity, I'll give it 7.5 out of 10. Yeah, I'm definitely still smelling it after a work day, but I would say maybe 3 to 5 hours in, it does kind of get close to the skin. But maybe if you're really sensitive to ISO-E Super, you'll probably still smell it from a few feet away. Price point, this one is $135 for the 100 ml. Now, as was the case with Molecule 01, a lot of people say this one's overpriced, but this one does have a little bit more added perfumery to it with the added notes, so it's not quite as simple to duplicate. Like a lot of people were selling homemade Molecule 01. This one I think would be a little bit more difficult to replicate in your kitchen. But I'll give it 4 out of 10 for price point and an overall score of 7 out of 10. I think I actually enjoy Molecule 01 a little more because it has more of a casual feel to it, and this one a little bit more exotic and sort of like refined, which isn't necessarily what I'm looking for in my fragrances. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will talk to you guys later.